So, welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the story is, who can say?
A tiger in the house.
Right. A tiger
In the house.
in the house. Now, we shall discuss the next paragraphs of the story. Before that, let's have some idea about the meaning of the words. Look at your book or look at the TV. The first word is
Brought up.
brought up. Its original meaning is
Like a python.
right. The sentence is the grandfather, the tiger cub was brought up by grandfather. The tiger cub was brought up by grandfather. Next, feeding. Its meaning is
Why?
Huaiba. Could understand. Next meaning is
Cook.
cook, a person who cooks. And diet. It's a food. What do you meaning is?
Khadya.
Yeah, ra.
Koncha.
Concha. We don't eat raw mutton. Do you eat raw mutton?
No.
Yes.
No.
Then why did you say yes? Do you eat it? Who eats raw mutton? Wild animals eat raw mutton, right? Who eat boiled mutton, cooked mutton, or fried mutton. Okay. Then pigeon. Who can say pigeon? Have you seen pigeon, dove? You pigeon, say dove are the same thing generally. Rabbit, you know what is rabbit? Very tasty. Rabbit curry is very tasty. Rabbit is in demand. Rabbit curry is very tasty. You don't know. Next, tempting. Lobanya. That is tempting. Could understand? Next, companions. Companions means friends. He is my best companion. Could understand? Bold means brave. Its original meaning is
Sahasi.
right. Enough.
Jatheshta.
I have enough money to buy the book. Next, mongrel. It's a kind of dog. Could understand? Appeared means looked. Darted back, ran back quickly. Cravel, to move on knees and hands. We have already discussed about rat, pigeon, rabbit, then pull.
Taniva.
Taniva. During a Ratha Jatra, we pull the chariot. Up Jagannath, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, we pull the chariot. Right? Curtains. We have come across this word in the first prose, a letter to God. In that prose it was written, the rain water covered his field like a white curtain. Curtain means what? There is a word door curtain. We use a curtain on the door and it is called door curtain. Right? Next, lost his temper means got angry or in a bad temper. Could you understand? Sometimes we lose our temper at home and got angry. Could you understand? Next, spring. Spring, you know, made up some circled. It's a kind of circled wide, that is spring. Okay. Next move to the what? Next move to the topic. Yeah. This was the topic, right? What did I say?
Topic.
This was the topic. At first, the tiger cub, who was named Timothy, the name of the Timothy was, the name of the tiger cub was Timothy. The name was given by whom? Grandfather. Was brought up entirely on milk. When the tiger cub was brought to home, first it was given just milk. Could understand? Just milk. But you know tigers are fond of what? Flesh, meat, mutton. Flesh. Could understand? But as the tiger cub was given what just milk to him in a feeding bottle, and the cub was given in a feeding bottle. You know what is a feeding bottle? Babies are fed milk in a feeding bottle. So similarly, as the tiger cub was a baby, he was given milk in a feeding bottle. Who was given? The tiger cub was given. By our cook. By whom? By grandfather's cook. So, by whom was the tiger cub brought up? The tiger cub was brought up by grandfather's cook. Who was the tiger cub fed by? The tiger cub was fed by the cook. What was the tiger cub? What was the tiger cub given? The tiger cub was given milk in a feeding bottle. Right? What was the name of the cook? The name of the cook was Muhammad. Right? But the milk proved too rich for him. First, the tiger cub was given milk, and that milk proved too rich for him. And he was put on a diet of raw mutton, so he was given raw mutton and cod liver oil. Then it followed what? Later by a tempting diet of pigeons and rabbits. Could understand? First he was given, the tiger cub was given milk, then what? Raw mutton and cod liver, then what? Pigeon and rabbit. Could understand? Timothy was provided with two companions. That means Timothy has two companions. So let's know what were they. Toto. That is it, Toto. Who was the Toto? Toto, the monkey. Toto was a monkey. Who was bold enough? That monkey was very bold, very brave enough to put the young tiger by the tail, to pull the young tiger by tail. Every day, the monkey was very mischievous. Do you know what he did? What he used to do every day? Every day, the monkey pulled Timothy's tail. Could understand? For fun. Could understand? So, Toto, the monkey who was bold enough to pull the young tiger by the tail, that means Toto pulled the tiger by the tail. And then climb up the curtains. We have already come across the word curtains. So climb up curtains. First he will first Toto will pull the cub by tail and climb up. Suddenly climb up the cat tail. If Timothy lost his temper or if Timothy got angry. And a small mongrel, you know dog, its name is Puppy. Mongrel, puppy found on the road by grandfather. So, Timothy at grandfather's house, Timothy had two friends, one Toto, the monkey, and what a mongrel, its name Puppy. Could understand? These were two friends of Timothy. At first, Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy. At first, Timothy feared puppy. The tiger cub feared puppy, but dog. The tiger cub feared the dog, but who should be feared of whom? The dog should be afraid of tiger, but here it is just reverse. The tiger was afraid of dog. Could understand? Could mark the point? So at first Timothy appeared to be quite afraid of the puppy and darted back with a spring if it came too near. When the dog Puppy came near Timothy, out of fear, Timothy jumped away. That means the tiger cub was afraid of dog, the puppy. Finally, he allowed the puppy to crawl on his back and rest there. Gradually, the tiger cub, who was afraid of puppy, acquainted with the dog and let puppy to climb on his back and rest there. Could understand? So, this is all about today's lesson. We shall have more in our next class. Still then, bye. Thank you.